Okay.
So do you want to start with this?
Yeah, that's the brightest one we have, I think.
Gonna be powerful.
Okay, so what's the notice again?
So the notice is...
First, we're not responsible what you do with that, okay? We're just showing toys that we're playing with, but you have to be careful.
Yeah, you have to be careful. Emits showers of sparks. Use only under close adult supervision. Outdoor use only.
Yep.
Hold in hand or tube, hand. Point away from the body, clothing and flammable material. Light tip. So yeah, if you don't light up the right tip, it's not gonna work. Okay. Rainbow waterfall fountain.
Okay, and we're testing a sparkler that we don't know, but it's the biggest one we've ever played with. And we decided to go on the moon to test that just in case.
Yeah.
Okay, so this episode is going to be filmed on the moon. Fire. Okay, now I'm using a torch. That's a butane torch because when it's windy, you don't want to have a simple lighter. It doesn't work. You need something stronger.
Let's be ready to run.
Okay, I'm going this way.
I'll go this way. Ooh.
Happy birthday.
So it says it's supposed to last for 120 seconds. It's pretty long. Whew. Ain't over yet.
Yes, you can laugh at me, but I was really scared of setting the moon on fire. I had no idea how big this would be. It turned out to be just perfect to create huge sparkles around our light painting shapes. Here's how we ended up the night.